Okay, so first of all, make sure you have alignment with your whole axle so we don't collapse the joint here. And then I roll my hip through the foot, on the front part of the foot, to the heel. So forward and back. And in that moment, so I'm still keeping it in my joint in the socket so we not collapse the joint there. And then we keep stretching like arrow and bow our knee away from the standing leg and keep bend it, bend, and land. So you see, in the moment when I dragging this foot forward, I'm pushing from the standing leg. So it would be mistake just to kind of stuck there, right? So we push and moving. Imagine someone pulls that knee out. At the same time, we're pushing and pulling the knee. Then from here, settle your pendulum through there, rotate, and same thing. You're trying to pull kind of the knee forward and the other knee back and pushing from the floor of the foot. So your heel, your entire standing leg is pressing to the floor. And walk, walk, walk. Yeah, stop in there. Hold on. Then this here. Then rotate your rib around your here. Shoulders stay. So shoulders doesn't go away. This little down. Yeah, perfect. Then create longer this bending. Yeah, and land slightly softer. Yeah, so longer bend to the knee. Bend, 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 then go. Bend, 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 then go. Right. Bend, 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 and push. Yes, right. That's better, much better actually. So the little bit longer this process of bending like this is create this catwalk style. Okay, so from here, in rotate and push, 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 and then land, right? Try one time. So in walk, 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 walk. Very nice. Just try not to knock in the floor, right? Yeah. So that's the whole part is that's why it's so tricky, so that we kind of using that cushioned action, right? So boom, 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 boom. And shoulder not wild. Yeah. Try this way. Boom. And walk. Nice. You can little support if you to here, here, into, and then shoulder doesn't open here. Boom. And then push, push, longer bend. Yeah, and push from the stand like longer bang, bang, bang. Yay. Bang, 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 bang. Then push away. Yes. Bang, bang, bang. Longer bend. Boom, boom. Yeah, longer bend. Yeah, that's it. Boom. That in softer. That's fantastic, actually. You see, when you think to longer bend, then it's happening. If you're straight, you become like a delay walk. Like you can use delay walk, right, and the lemanas and things. But when you just regular walk, you want create that kind of stress, right? Nice. And shoulders not well. So try to rotate rib. Hip starts here, so you rotate your hip from the rib. Boom. And zoom and boom.